everyone, welcome back to my Sichuan kitchen. Today we're going to make Sichuan stir-fried green bean. If you're new here, my name is Yi and I share easy to follow Asian recipes. Growing up in Sichuan, we love eating stir-fried green beans. To make this dish distinctively Sichuan, we add chilies and Sichuan peppercorn to give it that exciting, spicy and numbing taste. Are you ready? Let's get started. Start by preparing the green beans. Here's a trick I learned from my mom. Remove the tough ends and also get the tough tissue off from the green beans. This will make the eating experience so much better because you don't want this tissue to be stuck in your teeth. If your green beans don't have the tough tissue, you can also just cut off the tough ends with a knife. Next, we're going to cut the dry chilies with a pair of scissors. Add Sichuan peppercorn to the mix and finely chop some garlic. In a hot pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Start frying the green beans. When the green beans are nicely charred, drain the green beans. Add another tablespoon of oil to the pan. Adding garlic, fry until fragrant. Now adding chilies and Sichuan peppercorn. Here I recommend keeping the heat medium or low because chilies can be easily burned if it's too hot. Adding the green beans, season with salt, soy sauce, and a pinch of sugar. It's time to serve. This restaurant-style stir-fried green beans is super easy to make at home if you're needing a vegetable dish to add to your table. Let's give it a try, shall we? So good. It's spicy, it's numbing, and the green beans are cooked to perfection. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you're interested in a printable version of the recipe, feel free to check out SichuanKitchenRecipes.com, where you can find all my recipes in written forms and also printable versions. As always, hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time.